How to log in to Wells Fargo app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into your Wells Fargo mobile app, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into our Wells Fargo mobile app, all we have to do is first of all make sure that we have downloaded the Wells Fargo mobile from our respective app store, whether you're on Android or whether you're on iPhone. Once you've downloaded the Wells Fargo mobile app, in order to log in, we're going to just open the app and then move on to the login process. So basically what we're going to do is, here you can see, just to log in, it'll ask you to simply enter your username. So just go ahead and then actually enter your username over here, and then once you enter your username, also make sure to simply enter your password in this case. And then once you enter your password, if you want to save your username, you can just save it over here if you want to, or else you can also set up a biometric sign-in, which means next time you can sign in with your fingerprint or your face ID. Then all you have to do is just tap on the sign on button in order to successfully go ahead and then sign into your Wells Fargo mobile app. Now in case you have not yet activated mobile banking, you can tap on the enroll button over here and then simply go ahead and then sign into your mobile banking or activate one, or just tap on sign in. If your details are correct, you'll be successfully logged in. That's all it takes to log into Wells Fargo mobile app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you though, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.